Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a pretty special install for today. I just ordered a Tesla style screen for my Q50 and I'm going to show you guys how to put it in. Let's take an opener up. This one is from Alibaba in China. I can put the link down below that where I got it from. Oh, it's just in the box. Box in a box. There we go. Make sure not to show the address. Alright, box in a box. Alright. Okay, so we got some. Oh, this is the actual unit itself. Okay. Got the wiring and everything. Taking the box down. It's a pretty hefty unit actually. So this is the wiring harness. We've got canvas, some audio stuff, a bunch of plugs because this one does have a lot of plugs on the back of the unit in the Q50. Ooh, very nice. So that's the unit that I got. It's the smaller screen, which I'm not too opposed by. I'm not interested in a massive screen in my car. The button layout is a bit different. Buttons feel okay. Hoping I didn't get the wrong model because the model that I got was supposed to have a CD player in it. That's okay. 250L 12 to 19, 12.1 inch. So yeah, the one that I got is the 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabyte storage. So this is one of their bigger models. And yeah, that's what it looks like. That's the back. It's a small unit. So with that in mind, let's go put it in the car. I will take and show you guys how to take everything apart and how to plug everything in. It's pretty straightforward. It does take some time though. Don't do that.
You know why I moved the lawnmower?
Car's dead. Got the car open. Let's put her in. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do is clean out all the garbage out of your car. You're gonna want to pop these side pieces out. So this is pretty straightforward. You just have to pull up right here. Pull up and it should come undone. I've had to have mine apart a couple times, so that is why mine comes undone super easily. This side, same thing, pull up, and that should have it come off. This just pops out. So with this, all you want to do is just pull up. Unless you want to just wiggle it around there. Or pull up as well. Okay, that is out. So then again, yeah, it's just pull up both front and the back. Put that in the back seat there. What you're gonna want to do next is there's these 2 screws on either side that holds this piece down and I guess this piece back. You're just gonna want to get a Phillips, take those 2 out on either side, and then this should pop up. All right, now we have our flathead. So yeah, what you're gonna want to do, see if I can pop this up with 2 hands. The last time I did this, I lost this piece and it just flew everywhere. So the trick is put the flathead in there, push back just like that, and then it came out. Put this somewhere where you will find it again. Put that also down on my seat, and this piece pops out. Let's just be able to pop this all out. Same with the front, you just pull very nicely and then put it off to the side somewhere where you can unplug the bottom things. So there is a couple plugs. There's these two back here, and then there's that one at the front. Or is it two? Two at the front. There you go. Just don't overthink it. Same with this one. Push it down, pull it out, done. You got those two unplugged there. This one up front is a lot easier. That's an internal plug. Yeah, and there's a tab in the back. This one, push it to the driver's side, pull it out, done. This one, I think it's a bit more of a pain in the butt. Yeah, so push that tab down, pull it out, and you're done. And this can also go off to the side. All right, so now we got that all done. Now we'll work on the screens themselves. So these top pieces here, these just kind of pop out once you got those screws undone. There will be a little bit of a guide here that may hold yours down if you've never had these off before. But since I've wrapped them, mine's been out a couple times. So you pull that whole piece out, pop this out at the bottom first, and then this will all just slide out like that. Same with the other side. Pop it out gently. Gently pull this all out. This one can be a little bit more of a pain because of this piece there, but it should work nonetheless. So the only screws that are holding this thing in are these bottom ones there. So one on this side, one on that side, but it's those two screws and then the screws that we already took out. So grab your Phillips. There we go. Put that somewhere. You'll find it again. And now this entire bottom piece pops out. So up here, there's a couple clips up here that is held into the top. So what you're gonna want to do is pull the bottom out first, and then the top pull down. Just gently pull this down. There you go. And then that is out. There we go. So same thing with those other plugs. Push the tab down and pull out. I'll move on to this one first. There we go. That's unplugged. Use a flat screwdriver that you used before. To pop it out, possibly. There you go. Yeah, flat screwdriver works really good. All right. And that is your bottom screen out. All right, next we'll move on to the upper screen. So that one is held on by a couple more screws. So that one right there, that one right there. Take our Phillips, take the screw off that we had before. Screw this. With those two screws out, we can pull it from the bottom like that. Pull from the top because there is like these silver pieces right there that do slide into those brackets there. So you want to pull out and then down. And this one has a lot of plugs as well. Probably not an ideal angle, but it's what we'll work with. Yeah. That one's good. These ones can be quite the pain too, so you're gonna want to use the flathead screwdriver trick. Get down in there, push down, push out. Same with that one and that one. Those are all the plugs for this right there. So that's what the back looks like. This is what controls your backup camera, navigation if you have it, and Apple CarPlay if you have it. So we'll put that aside. Now we have to work on this piece. This piece right here is quite the pain because there's a couple plugs in here that controls your, there's a couple plugs in this one, a couple plugs in this one. This is your CD player. For the most part, we already undid the screws at the bottom, so we just have to undo the 2 screws at the top. Same thing, just some Phillips. It shouldn't fall once you have the screws out because there's these guide bars that are in there. So with this all undone, we can pull it out, just straight out. Make sure you still have your shifter shifted to drive, just so you can properly pull this all out. Move those and then start unplugging. So put that somewhere where I won't spill any of my drinks that I won't be drinking. And that is the rat's nest that Infiniti decided to put in the back of these screens. To be fair, that controls your AC, your heat, your everything. So that is pretty much the brain unit of it. But now we are going to put this in with that. This is gonna be fun. Alright, so I'm just gonna plug in, find out what's going on here, because all the videos that I'm seeing online are for just like 17 different styles of Tesla screens. I did see a video with this exact one, but it's a sped up video that explains nothing, which really sucks. So we're just gonna plug in and see if it works. Got it somewhat figured out. Let me put the screen back there. All the I guess squares of that unit that was here, all the ones with the weird looking plugs on it, so like the colorful ones, all have to be plugged back in and just shoved back here. So there's 3 units. There's that one, there's the navigation one, and there's the AC control and all that one. So that all has to be plugged back in. The only thing that doesn't need to be plugged back in is these. There's a couple plugs down here that I didn't find homes for. Maybe they're important. I haven't really found anything. My car's a 2015 and it came with navigation and the backup camera only, and the Bose system. So I didn't use all the plugs that it came with. So for the most part, yeah, just shove all these pieces back in there. Put the rat's nest somewhere nicely in there, I guess, and then screw it back to the car, and then do this all in reverse. I will take a video of with it all done. So that's put it all back together. Still haven't figured out how to turn it off. It does kind of float. These tabs at the top here don't seem to want to click into anything, so it just floats on the screws that were behind here. Other than that, she's pretty solid. I'll just get this bottom piece in, and then it should be a finished product. Proof that the audio all works. That's all I can really play without getting copyrighted, I think. But this is just the songs that come with the state or the radio itself. So that's all in, that's in. I was just gonna record a little clip before my phone died on how to put this back on. So with those screws back in, I'll do that a bit later. Just slide this on. Kind of always goes on straight. Remember that clip that I told you not to forget? You put that on the bottom here. We got it now. So you have to make sure, push it all the way down, and then put the clip in. So it's a couple days after I did the initial install. Testing it out, making sure it all works. It works great. CarPlay works, AC works, everything. It's all good. With it taking a couple of tries to get the wiring to all work, I definitely would take your time to put it all in. There's really only one spot for everything to go, so that shouldn't be such a big issue. It works great. I would definitely recommend getting the higher speed RAM one. So the one that I got is 6 gigs of RAM. They have a 2 gig option and a 4 gig option. I got the 6 gig option because I knew it was going to be the fastest. More storage equals more space for speed. But with that, we're going to end the video right here. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Peace.